For this lesson, we'll be comparing and ordering decimal numbers. So for the first one, let's have this given example. It says write the symbol that would make the statement correct. So we have 47 and 2,886 10,000s, and we have 47 and 2,868 10,000s. For the solution, you have the following steps. So step 1, we have to compare the whole numbers. So as you can see here, both given numbers, they have the same whole number, which is the number 47. So if in the case that in their whole number part they are similar or equal, we proceed now to the next digit to the right, which is in our decimal number part. So for step 2, compare the decimals of the numbers starting from the tenths. This is the first digit, which is the tenths. So as you can see, they are still the same, or they are still equal. So this is 2, this is 2. So we proceed to the next digit, which is the hundreds, which is the number 8. And then moving to the right to the hundreds, if they are still the same, move to the thousands. If they are still the same, move to the next place value, and so on and so forth. So in the hundreds place, they are similar as well. So we move to the next place value, which is the thousands place value. On this given, we have 8. On the second one, we have 6. We all know that 8 is bigger than 6. So therefore, this 47 and 2,886 is bigger or greater than 47 and 2,868 10,000s. For the step 3, we have to write the proper symbol, and that symbol is greater than. Next, how about this one? 5,464 and 14 thousandths and 531 and 29 thousandths. So for the step 1, again, we have to compare the whole numbers. So we all know that 5,464, since the place value or the digit 5 here has a place value of thousands, while the place value of the digit 5 here is only in hundreds, we can say that this number on the left is bigger or greater than on this number on the right. So the correct symbol that we can use here is greater than as well. Next, 82 hundredths. This is 93 hundredths. So we begin again with the whole numbers. So since both doesn't have any whole number, we proceed to the next digit to the right, which is the digit in the tenths place value. This is 8, this is 9. So 9 is bigger than 8, therefore 93 hundredths is bigger than 82 hundredths. So in that case, the answer here is less than, because 82 hundredths is less than 93 hundredths. Next, 9 and 33 hundredths and 7 and 26 hundredths. Whole numbers, 9 and 7. 9 is bigger than 7, therefore this is greater than. This time, we have 97 and 6 hundredths and also 97 6 hundredths. As you can see, both have the same value, therefore the correct symbol here is equal. How about, let us now try this one. Arrange the following decimals from least to greatest. From the word list, pinakamaliit or mababa, while greatest pinakamalaki or has a largest value. Among the 4 given, we have to compare first their whole numbers. So in this case, this is 23, this is 23, this is 22, this is 23. We can say that 22 here is the smallest one. So this is now your first answer, which is the number that has the least value. Followed by, we can now cancel out this. We now have the remaining 3 numbers. So we proceed with the next digit, which is the digit on the tenths place. This is 4, this is 6, this is also 6. Between 4 and 6, 4 is smaller, therefore this is now your next number. So we can now cross this out. Next, the last one, we can now compare them on the next place value, which is hundreds. This is 4, this is 4, they have the same value. We proceed to the next one. This is 4, this is 9, so 4 is less than 9, so this will now your third, and the last one will be your greatest number. So that is how we arrange this given decimals from least to greatest. How about this? So we have 2 and 154 thousandths, 3 and 891 thousandths, 2 and 189 thousandths, and 3 and 878 thousandths. We always start on your whole numbers. This is 2, this is 3, this is 2, this is 3. Again, we are looking for the least number. So since this is 3, we'll go back to them later. So let us now first compare these two numbers. Let us identify which between the two is the least. This is 1, this is 1, so we cannot compare them. We move to the next place value. For hundreds, this has a 5 on the hundreds place. This is now 8. Between 5 and 8, 5 is smaller. Therefore, 2 and 154 thousandths is now your least decimal. Followed by, of course, 2 and 189. We are now looking for the last two numbers. The remaining are 3 and 891 thousandths and 3 and 878 thousandths. Let us compare them with the tenths. They have the same value, so we cannot compare them using that. We proceed to the next digit. This is 9, this is 7. 7 is smaller than 9. So therefore, this one will be your third number. And the greatest number or greatest decimal is 3 and 891 thousandths. So that is how we arrange and compare decimal numbers.